What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick different Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything over top, and then we create new interesting color combinations that you guys get to decide if you love or you hate. Rated 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen, and you guys can rate anywhere in between. These are just test panel spray outs, showcase different color combinations that you might want to use on your next project. I got a fender prepped up behind me today, so that can only mean one thing. We're going to be spraying it with Rustoleum. I got two Rustoleum colors. I've got gloss black and ink blue. Really cool blue colors. And then a new eye candy pearl, guys. It's a solid dark blue pearl. And there's another one called No-Con blue, and it looks very similar to it. But I don't know. I want to say this one might actually give it a run for the money. This is an Ohio blue by Eye Candy Pigments. And today we're going to be shooting it over top of these two Rustoleum colors to see if we can't create a really rich looking almost candy blue effect. So I'm feeling blue today, guys. So let's get into today's episode. Alright, guys, so we got our two Rustoleum colors down now, and now it's time for some Ohio blue from Eye Candy Pigments. I am using the finished 1 clear today, 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener, 5 ounces total in this mix, and I got 1 teaspoon, this little McCormick measure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, and like I said, this is a very cool deep blue looking color, but I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of this, and I'm going to throw it in this 5 ounces. And then, as always, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright, guys, so Ohio blue. I wanted you to be able to see this powder before I even mixed it up. Look how cool that is. If you love blues, man, this is definitely a really cool one. And as I get to mixing it, well, you can see what I'm talking about. It's got that deep, rich blue color, that dark blue, almost like a midnight blue pearl effect. Almost candy-ish at some like properties or whatever, but I think this is going to be a really cool one today, guys. But there's only one way to really truly find out. Let's load up the old gun and let's get it spraying. Alright, guys, so I got some of this Ohio blue loaded up in my Aurita gun today. This is the LVLP gun. It's a 1.3 tip. I shoot at 28 psi wider per trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, feel free to. I'm going to do a light coat on this panel first. Make sure we don't get no reactions, and then we'll do 2-3 follow-up coats and then take it out in the sun. See what kind of effect we get. See if we can't create a really cool blue. Alright, I'm going to get my mask on. Let's get the spray. Alright guys, so Ojai Blue by Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black and Ink Blue. Man, over both colors, it looks beautiful. If you love blues, you'll definitely love this. I wanted to take it out in the sun and let you guys see it better, but the sun wasn't cooperating today, guys, unfortunately. But I think you guys get the gist of this, even with just a little bit of lighting I did and everything else, and then you step back, and that's a pretty blue. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is a spray out for today. Ojai Blue Pearl over top of Gloss Black and Ink Blue. Now, I'm a sucker for blues, so you know I'm going to love this, but I was going for like a deep, rich, dark blue, almost a candy effect with these pearls today. So I tried to choose two colors I thought that would really accommodate that look. And I think it turned out pretty good, but ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you ever seen. And if you want to spray with Ojai Blue, I am an affiliate with Candy Pigments. That means I can get you guys a discount. Links will be in the description. Just click my link and at checkout enter WAW shop while shop, and you'll get a discount. It goes to help out the channel. The Finish One Clear always works great for these spray outs. I've had 0 issues with it over Rustoleum. The paint gun I used today, that was actually a Temu item. If you go back in some of my other videos, you'll find the review on that. And you can also sign up for Temu and get some discounts there. And of course, everything else I use, guys, you can always find it on my Amazon store. The links will be in the description. Just click As Seen on YouTube. That takes you to my Amazon store, and you can purchase everything I use on the channel there for the same price I do. We do get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra, and you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you enjoyed this video today and you like these spray outs and everything else I'm doing on the channel and you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification beside it so you don't miss an episode. We're all the time dropping new stuff, and you just never know what you're going to see next on Whitley Autoworks. Also, before you exit the video, please leave me a like and comment. It helps me with the algorithm spread this video out, and yeah, just gain more traction for Whitley Autoworks. And I really appreciate you guys for watching today, sticking with me all the time on these crazy spray outs, paint jobs, a little bit of everything. And if you have any suggestions for spray outs, custom stuff you'd like to see on the channel, please leave me a comment in the description, and go back and check out some of my other spray outs. We got over 100 plus spray outs, all kinds of crazy color combinations, and if you haven't seen one in that, hey, leave me a message and we'll get to it. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. I'm John from Whitley Autoworks. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.